Introducing Beyond Monitoring by Sixense, where cybersecurity is central. With this monitoring and information management system, or MIMS, all your projects are accessible in one place, along with related documents and media. Navigation of project sites is made simple by layer-based GIS views with the option of including external web map services. Beyond Monitoring has been designed to handle large volumes of data, which are instantly available at the click of a button. A user-friendly graph provides options to manipulate the data with ease, while a toolbox allows plotting cross-sections and profiles on the fly. ISO lines, or heat maps, can give a broader understanding to your data, instantly drawing users' eyes to critical areas. The layer-based approach allows as many sensors to be displayed as is required, and there is no limit. Text and graphical overlays are also available, and up-to-date information is provided on the fly for each sensor. Current sensor data and status is available with a single click. Users can focus on just one sensor, or several hundred. The choice is made easy with user-friendly interface. For traceability and quality, it is important to not only record the sensor monitoring data, but also the sensor metadata, which includes user customizable fields. Users have the possibility to create custom views by uploading their own background files, and monitoring sensors then be placed on the views with data easily accessible for analysis. Additional geospatial integration is also available using the ISO lines feature, highlighting potential critical situation. Color-coded sensor icon informs on the alarm status, and time series data is immediately available. Sensor alarms are managed directly on the graphs with quick and easy acknowledgement of exceedances, and recording of sensor critical information. Users can also log events against a sensor, which may help other users interpret the data, for example if maintenance was performed, or a significant weather event affected readings. All alarms are visible, which can be filtered by name, instrument type, alarm severity and date, so users have direct information on which alarms have occurred in the past, and which are currently running. By clicking on an alarm, further information is provided, where again, users are asked to acknowledge with a comment. A dedicated Beyond Monitoring mobile application also comes with the suite, which focuses on alarm management and manual data collection. Users have access to all alarms and acknowledge them from the phone, for example taking photos on site while doing so. Manual data collection tours are scheduled and assigned to technicians via the app. To avoid confusion and improve quality, a QR code is linked to each sensor, ensuring that the correct measurements are uploaded to the correct sensor. Reporting is an important component of a monitoring program. In Beyond Monitoring, reporting uses customizable templates and schedules. All elements are easily configurable, and users of the recent list are receiving their reports directly in their mailbox. History of past reports is also stored for convenience. Finally, project dashboards are embedded, providing up-to-date information on project KPIs, such as sensor quantities, visibility, and measurement precision. This is beyond monitoring.